Hello traders, welcome back to another exciting video on my channel AM Trading Tips, where we make smart trading simple. Today I'm sharing something truly powerful with you, the Trend Reversal Forex Trading Indicator for MT4. The best part? You can use this on any time frame, across any asset. Forex, gold, crypto, even stocks. And yes, I've also taken live trades using this indicator, so you'll see how it actually performs in real market conditions. So don't skip, watch till the very end. Quick reminder before we begin. Forex trading involves risk. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and risk only what you can afford to lose. In this video, I'll show you how this indicator works, when to enter a trade, where to place your stop loss and take profit, and how to manage your risk the smart way. Sounds good? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future strategies or indicator tutorials. All right, let's jump into the charts and explore how this trend reversal indicator can help you spot high probability trades like a pro. When you see a small red dot appear on the chart with a black circle above it, it's a sign that the trend is getting exhausted. It's reaching an extreme level. Then, when a buy arrow shows up after that, boom! That's your signal to enter a buy trade. Stop loss? Set it just below the previous low. Take profit? Use a 1:1 risk-reward ratio, or aim for the next resistance level or the next red dot. The same goes for sell trades. If you see the same pattern, a red dot with a black circle, followed by a sell arrow, that's your sell signal. In this case, stop loss goes above the previous high. Take profit should be at a 1:1 ratio, the next support level, or again, the next red dot. Always look at support and resistance levels before you enter the trade. These zones increase the accuracy of your signals. Sometimes, you might see a red dot with a black circle or a bold red circle. This is just another visual sign that the trend is at an extreme and might reverse soon. Let's talk about something super important: risk management. Even the best indicators can't protect you from bad money management. So always risk only 1 to 2% of your account per trade. This helps you stay in the game, even if the market gets tough. This indicator works beautifully on all time frames, from 1-minute scalping to daily charts. And it's not just for Forex. You can use it on gold, crypto, indices, or stocks. It's truly multi-purpose. Make sure you test it on a demo account first. Get comfortable with the signals. Backtest on historical charts. It'll boost your confidence and help you fine-tune your entries and exits. Liking this so far? Smash that like button and drop a comment if you want me to share more real-time trades with this indicator. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming strategies, tools, or live trading sessions. Now let's check how our live trades turned out. Our first trade hit take profit perfectly. This is exactly why I love using this indicator. It helps you find clean, high-probability entries without confusion. Let's wait patiently for the next perfect signal. Remember, patience is key. Don't rush. Let the market come to you. All right, traders, we've got a perfect buy trade set up right here according to our strategy. As you can see on the chart, the indicator has shown us a small red dot with a black circle above it, which means the trend is now at an extreme point. And just after that, we've received a buy arrow signal from the indicator. This confirms that it's time to enter a buy trade. We'll place our stop loss just below the previous low, and our take profit target is set at the next red dot, keeping it clean and simple. Now let's wait and see how this trade plays out. While we wait, let me share 5 smart tips to help you reduce losses in Forex trading. These tips are especially helpful for both beginners and experienced traders. Tip 1. Always use a stop loss. Never risk a trade without setting a stop loss. It protects your account from big losses and keeps your risk under control. Pro tip: don't move your stop loss hoping things will turn around. Trust your strategy. Tip 2. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. This is one of the most important habits of professional traders. No matter how confident you are, never risk more than 1 to 2% of your balance on a single trade. Example: If you have $1,000 in your account, keep your risk between $10 to $20 max. Tip 3. Trade during active market hours. Stick to major trading sessions like London and New York, or their overlap time. That's when the market moves most efficiently and spreads are low. Why this matters: high liquidity, smoother price action, better trading opportunities. Tip 4. Avoid overtrading. Don't chase the market or force trades. Instead, wait for clear signals and only take high probability setups. Discipline. Tip: limit yourself to a few quality trades a day. Don't let emotion drive your trading. Tip 5. Keep a trading journal. Document every trade, your entry, exit, reason for trade, and how you felt. Review your journal every week to find patterns and improve. Pro habit: write down your biggest loss and learn from it. This one step alone can save you from repeating costly mistakes. These habits won't just protect your capital, they'll make you a more confident and consistent trader in the long run. All right, let's head back to our live trade and see the result. Stick with me till the end. You'll love how this trade plays out. And there it is, traders. We've won this trade. Our buy setup worked exactly as expected. The indicator gave a clear signal, we followed the rules, and the trade hit take profit right at the next red dot. This is the power of using a smart and tested indicator with proper risk management. Remember, trading isn't about guessing, it's about following a plan with discipline. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss powerful trading strategies like this one. Also, check the video description below for the indicator download link. Always practice on a demo account before trading live, and stay consistent with your strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful indicator or strategy that makes trading simpler and smarter for you. Until then, stay safe, stay disciplined, and happy trading.